Hello, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. I am glad you're here today. Let's start with our morning chart. Good morning to my terrific kindergartners. Who are my terrific kindergartners? You are. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. It is the last day of March. Boys and girls, you remember the first day of March? We were tracking to see if it was going to be a lamb day or a lion day, because March usually comes in like a lion and out like a lamb. This year, March came in like a lamb. It was a gentle, calm day. And now we have to decide, did it go out like a lamb or a lion? Well, if it's a calm day and it's not snowing, rainy, or windy, then it's a lamb day. And if it's a rainy, snowy, windy day and freezing cold, then we would say it's a lion day. So what day do you think it is? Tell your mom or dad. Today is day 4. We have PE today. So make sure you go to Miss Scholl's Google Classroom and see what she has for you today. The heart words are no, so, and was. Boys and girls, no and so both have a long O at the end. You hear the no, right? And so the O at the end. I would like you to do the same thing today that you did yesterday. Write 3 sentences in your writing journal, one for each sentence, one for each word. Okay? Let's see if we can sound out these words. I'm not going to tell you the words. Let's see if we can sound them out. Tap. We have a short A that says a, like apple. So let's do it again. Tap. Tap. Good. The next word. Let's sound out the next word. N. Let's do it faster. N. 10. Right. And we have a short E that says like edge. The next word is tip. 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 And we have a short I like itch. Let's sound out the next word. Top. Let's do it faster. Top. And that is a short O that says like octopus. And our next word, let's sound that out. B. A little faster. B. Put it together. We got tub. All right, so let's do it. Tub. B. Tub. And that's a short U, and short U says like up. Let's read our next sentence. Can you read these number sentences? If you have somebody sitting next to you, I want you to read this number sentence right here. And let's read it. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now I'm going to let you take a minute and pause the video if you want and figure out show an adult how you got 4 plus 7. Okay, so pause it. Here's the answer when you're back. Here's the answer. You already have the answer, but this is what it looks like. 4, and you put your 4 dots here, plus 3, and there's 3 dots there, equals 7. And remember, we count up from 4. 4, and then you can count 3 more. 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now, look at the next number sentence right here, and I want you to read that to an adult while I fix my board here. And I'm taking away the plus sign, and I'm putting in a subtraction sign. So now it says 4 take away 3 equals something. Okay? So what we're going to do is put our 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we see take away, we know we have to get rid of 1. Or at least, we got to get rid of 3 of them. So let's get rid of 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 1. So 4 take away 3 equals 1. Or it could be 4 minus 3 equals 1. So I hope you could show a parent how to do that. All right, boys and girls, the next thing is fix the sentence. And our sentence says, he has no cats in the car. Boys and girls, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and fix the sentence in writing. So maybe you can do that in your writing journals, or if you just have a piece of paper, and see if you can fix it. So I'm going to give you a hint. Look at the first word, because we know that the first letter in any sentence always has to be uppercase. So look at the first word. Make sure we have finger spacing. Make sure you have the right end mark. Okay? Check out the end mark. Think about if it's an asking or a telling sentence. And then lastly, it has to make sense. So I'll read it again. He has no cats in the car. So go ahead, write that in your writing journals so I can look at it and see if you got it right. And our last sentence here says, the positivity strength is humor. What makes you laugh? Boys and girls, think about what makes you laugh. What is something that makes you laugh? And you can share that with me too, something that makes you laugh. This week, you can send me any jokes you want, because I'd like to laugh too. It's good to laugh. So I hope you looked at the two characters that show humor. My favorite character, one of my favorite characters, Donkey from Shrek, because I love that movie. He shows humor all the time. And then a real life person that shows humor is Mo Willems, the author who writes funny books. And later today, speaking of Mo Willems, you will be able to listen to my read aloud, The Duckling Gets a Cookie. My son Max helps me read that. So you'll get to read that after, or listen to that story. And then you'll have a choice about writing about that book. I have a question at the end of the book. Or if you want to choose something from your choice board. All right, now when you go to the positivity slides, make sure when you go to the Google Classroom, click on classwork up at the top. It's that middle title, okay? And then you'll scroll down and you'll see where it says P2, and then you'll click on the one that says humor for March 30th, okay? All right, so boys and girls, let's go to our calendar. It's the last day of March. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. What's tomorrow going to be? We'll talk about that in a minute. All right, boys and girls, it looks like today is a lamb day. I ran out of lambs. Oh my goodness, I ran out of lambs. So we'll put a lamb here. Let's count how many lambs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we have 17 lambs. I'm going to write that down. 17 lambs. And let's count how many lions we have in the month of March. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 lions. So it looks like this. Our score is lambs 17 and lions 14. Which number is bigger? The 17 or the 14? The 17 is bigger. So that means we've had more lamb days than lions. So lambs win. And most of you chose lambs as what we were going to have the most kind of days of. So kiss your brain if you got that right. I'm glad we've had more lamb days than lion days. Lion days are no fun. All right, boys and girls, let's move to our days of the week. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. It's April Fool's Day. No fooling me tomorrow. Good thing we're not in school. I have a lot of little pranksters at school. Now let's read this. Yesterday was Monday, March 30th, 2020. All right. Boys and girls, don't forget you can go to YouTube and do your Macarena months and your days of the week. I'm going to put those links up just so you can do it with your friends and family. And our weather today it is cloudy. Cloudy again at my house. Cloudy at your house. And our weather graph, look how many cloudies we have. Cloudy has the most. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in the month of March, we have had 12 cloudy days. In the month of March, we've had 2 sunny days. In the month of March, we've had 1 windy day. In the month of March, we've had 3 rainy days. And in the month of March, we've had 1 snowy day. And that was a really snowy day. All right. So, whoops, I went a little ahead of myself. Okay. We have been in school 123 days. So, 1, 2, 3. We have 1 bundle of 100, 2 bundles of 10, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3. 123. I'm sorry, 3 ones. 123. 3 ones. All right. And on our last page, boys and girls, today I forgot to change this. We are going to be looking at, can I change that? I can change that. 7. We are on day 7 of our learning calendar. Okay. Make sure you go to the P2 slides and click on humor. Remember, you have to go to classwork. So it's that middle tab. So in Google Classroom, click on classwork, and then you can go to the P2 slides. And I think there's only 2 slides today, and tomorrow there'll be more slides, but you don't have to do them all today. There's a little video clip on the movie Shrek. Maybe you already watched it. All right. Please practice your first and your last name. We're working on getting everyone on Seesaw, so I did send a note home to moms and dads to please log into that and use your child's email address, which is their first name that's wrong. Their email address is their last name dot first name 32 at esmschools.org. That's what you need to log on to. I'll say it one more time. Last name first dot first name 32 at esmschools.org. No spaces. All right. And today I will see you on a video call. So I'm so excited to see your faces. And I have almost everybody scheduled for a video call today. So I'm very glad to see, I'll be seeing you today. So you can ask me any questions you have. If you're having any trouble with anything, tell me what you like, what you don't like, what's easy, what's not so easy, what you need help with. Okay. So I look forward to seeing everybody, and you can listen to my read aloud, The Duckling Gets a Cookie. It's another Mo Willems books. I think you'll enjoy. And everybody have a great learning day, and I'll see you soon.